The second experiment is to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. So for this we need a healthy potted plant. Of course we are going to destarch it first. The leaves get destarched. I told you plant doesn't get destarched, leaves get destarched. The starch gets transported to the storage organs of the plants. Now on one of the healthy leaves is selected and it is covered with a strip of black paper. You could cover it with an intact strip, complete area cover, or you may cut out a star in that strip. In this case, this area would be the covered area and this would be the exposed area. If I take a complete black strip, sometimes in the exam a complete black strip is there, then this whole rectangular portion would be the covered area and this would be the exposed area. Either ways, this shape may change, the placement may change, you have to see accordingly. So basically we are trying to prove that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. So the area which will be covered will not get sunlight and so it will not produce starch. So it will take a brown color after the iodine test. Whereas the area which is exposed, this and this, it is exposed to sunlight, it will get the sunlight and it will perform the process of photosynthesis and it will give a blue black color with iodine solution when we perform the starch test. A similar setup is there for your practical syllabus also. I'll be showing to you in the bio lab and I've made a rough sketch of this to explain to you what we are doing here. We have a device called a Ganong screen in the lab. Now in the Ganong screen, this is a metallic screen which is like a paper clip. So we just fit this screen over the leaf here, and in this screen, it's a metallic screen, a ready-made star shape is cut out here and we just clip it over the leaf. So this area is the exposed area and this are exposed areas, whereas this shaded part is the covered area I mentioned here. So if a Ganong screen is fitted, then also the aim of the experiment is to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. What will be the outcome of the starch test or the iodine test? We always mention that exposed areas, remember the word exposed areas and covered areas. So exposed areas, that means exposed to sunlight, will give a blue black color because they received sunlight, they performed photosynthesis and so they will turn blue black. Starch is produced here, it is present here. Whereas the covered areas will not receive sunlight, no photosynthesis occurred, no glucose is formed, hence no starch is present. So they take up the brown color like shown in your book. So it may be a Ganong screen or it may be a black paper shown here. Either ways, aim of the experiment is to show or to prove that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Prerequisite is to destarch the plant. So with this question only you are asked, what should be done before we begin the experiment? How will you test the leaf for starch? So all steps have to be written accordingly. So the two things we have already studied, destarching and testing a leaf for starch. Here only the outline is given. Details we have already studied before. So this is the second experiment pertaining to photosynthesis.